Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best capacitor kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any electronics enthusiast or hobbyist. This comprehensive kit provides a wide assortment of capacitors, crucial for stabilizing voltage and ensuring smooth power delivery in your circuits. Whether you're building a simple circuit or a complex project, having the right capacitors on hand can make all the difference in performance and reliability. Number 5. EEEEE Capacitor Assortment Kit, 304 PCS. This is the EEEEE Capacitor Assortment Kit. It includes a wide range of capacitor values, making it perfect for various electronic projects. It's a convenient and comprehensive kit for both beginners and experienced users. The kit contains 20 different values of capacitors, with a total of 304 pieces. This variety ensures that you have the right capacitor for almost any application. This kit is well organized and easy to use. The capacitors are neatly organized in transparent trays. This allows you to easily see and access the components you need. It's designed for easy identification and selection. The capacitance values range from 0.1 microfarads to 2200 microfarads. This wide range covers most common needs in electronic circuits. It's a versatile set for a variety of projects. The kit includes capacitors with voltage ratings of 10V, 16V, 25V, and 50V. This ensures that you have the right components for different voltage requirements. It offers a good selection of voltage options. Each compartment has a plastic cover that opens and closes securely. This keeps the capacitors organized and prevents them from mixing. It's designed for easy storage and access. What we like. This kit features transparent trays, making it easy to see what you have at a glance. It also offers a wide voltage range, perfect for various projects. If you are looking for a kit that combines convenience with a clear view of your components, this is the one for you. What people say. The components containers are fantastic, they are well marked, making it easy to find the value you need, no fiddling around with storage bags or drawers, and they store very nicely. This kit is perfect for a quick restock of basic values, and a slim, easy-to-access book-like case is a great way to keep them organized and readily accessible. I was able to repair a 34-year-old ham radio transceiver with a few of these capacitors to good effect. Number 4. ALLECIN Electrolytic Capacitor Assortment Kit. This is the ALLECIN Electrolytic Capacitor Assortment Kit. It's perfect for a variety of electronic experiments. This kit offers a wide range of values to meet your needs. The kit includes 24 different values of inline aluminum capacitors. This variety ensures you have the right component for your project. They range from 0.1 microfarads to 1000 microfarads. These capacitors offer a large capacity in a small size. They also feature ripple current resistance, low leakage current, and low internal resistance. This makes them ideal for many applications. These inline electrolytic capacitors are widely used in household appliances and electronic products. They are also great for DIY circuit boards. It's a versatile component for various projects. The kit comes in humanized packaging for easy storage and use. Remember to confirm the capacitance, voltage, and volume before you start. This will ensure the best results. What we like. This kit is designed with small size and low leakage current, ideal for compact designs. It's also perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you're working on projects where space is a premium, or you enjoy building your own circuits, you'll find it incredibly useful. What people say. The capacitors were exactly what I needed to repair my equipment. The kit had a great selection of capacitors. Number 3. Twidec 410 PCS Electrolytic Capacitor Assortment Kit. This is the Twidec Capacitor Assortment Kit. It's perfect for various repair and modification projects. It is a great choice for your electronics needs. These capacitors offer high precision and a wide range of values. The temperature range is from -40 degrees Celsius to +105 degrees Celsius, ensuring stable performance. Each capacitor is clearly marked with its value and voltage rating. This makes it easy to select the right component for your project. You can easily find the one you need. These capacitors are ideal for repairing or modifying TVs, radios, and more. It's also suitable for prototyping and small projects. It is a versatile kit. They are widely used in power supplies and amplifier stages. This kit is a must-have for any electronics enthusiast. It will meet your needs. The kit includes 410 pieces of capacitors in 24 different values. They come in a reusable box with labeled compartments for easy organization. You can also store other components in it. What we like. This kit offers high-precision capacitors with clearly marked values, making selection easy. It's also great for repairs. If you're working on repairs or modifications, this kit's clear labeling and wide range will save you time and effort. What people say. The capacitor kit arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed to repair my equipment. The kit had a great selection of capacitors and was a good value for the price. The capacitors were of good quality and worked perfectly. Number 2. Swpeet 240 PCS Electrolytic Capacitor Assortment Kit. This kit includes 240 pieces of electrolytic capacitors, spanning 24 different kinds. The range is from 0.1 microfarads to 1000 microfarads. They come in a handy box with clearly labeled compartments. These capacitors are made of high-quality aluminum. They have a temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to +105 degrees Celsius, with a tolerance of plus or minus 20%. This ensures a stable and long service life for the components. Each capacitor has a marker code and a label indicating its value, making them easy to identify. The capacitors are packed in a reusable box, which is convenient for management. You can also store other small components in it. This kit is perfect for tinkerers, DIY enthusiasts, and hobbyists. It's great for repairing and modifying various electronics, such as TVs, monitors, radios, and game consoles. It's also suitable for prototyping. You'll receive 240 capacitors in 24 different kinds, including 10V, 16V, 25V, and 50V options. The capacitance ranges from 0.1 microfarads to 1000 picofarads. It offers excellent humidity resistance and a miniature size. What we like. This kit provides stable quality capacitors with clear markings for easy identification. It's suitable for a wide range of applications. If you're a DIYer or hobbyist looking for a reliable and versatile kit, it's an excellent choice. What people say. I was recently given an old 9CRT TV that wouldn't power on. Upon inspection I found 2 capacitors that had burst, and with this kit and a few minutes of soldering I had a working TV for retro gaming. If you need a quick variety of caps for an electronics repair, this is exactly what you are looking for. This kit has a large variety of capacitors. They are clearly labeled and they all function perfectly. For the price of this kit, you get a great assortment for most hobby needs as well as repairs. I needed to repair an old PS3 Guitar Hero guitar that no longer synced. After I saw a video explaining the most likely faulty capacitor, I found that my junk box lacked the 220 UF electrolytic I needed. I bought this kit and it had that capacitor and others for the future in a nice segmented box, which is great for storage. I selected the cap, soldered it in, and the Gusher worked once again at the pleasure of the customer. Number 1. OCR 500 PCS Electrolytic Capacitor Kit. This kit includes 500 capacitors with 24 different values. It's a comprehensive set for various electronic projects and repairs. You'll find a wide range of capacitance values. The capacitors range from 0.1 microfarads to 1000 microfarads, with voltage ratings from 10V to 50V. This variety makes it suitable for a broad spectrum of electronic devices. It's designed to meet diverse needs. Each capacitor is clearly labeled for easy identification. The kit comes in a reusable box, keeping everything organized and accessible. This makes it easy to manage your components. These are aluminum electrolytic capacitors, ideal for small electronics. They have a temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to +105 degrees Celsius, with a tolerance of plus or minus 20%. They are built to last. Perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. They are commonly used in TVs, stereos, game consoles, and more. It's a great kit for anyone working with electronics. Whether you're repairing electronics or starting a new project, this kit has you covered. It's an excellent selection of common electrolytic capacitors. It's a must-have for any electronics enthusiast. What we like. This kit offers a great assortment of capacitors with clear markings for easy use. It's perfect for electronic repairs. If you often repair electronics or are just starting out with circuitry, it's an excellent choice. What people say. Have only used one so far for an audio amp and it is still working great. Already used 6 different capacitors on the first day I got them. All capacitors look good and worked as expected. Nothing to criticize. How many times have you needed to find a specific electrolytic capacitor for a circuit and find out you do not have any on hand? Well, with all the various sizes in this kit, you will not have to substitute anymore. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.